Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a new video. I know it's been a minute since I last recorded. I think my last video was a Stanley Cup accessory video, but now we are back. I'm not gonna explain why, just be happy that I'm back. That's all I can say. But today is an exciting video. I am making my son's birthday shirt for tomorrow. Believe it or not, his birthday is on Labor Day. So I'm going to try out my new HTVRont Auto heat press. I did only use this one time so far, and I loved it. And now it's time to put this baby to use and make my son a custom birthday outfit. Well, a t-shirt, a dinosaur shirt. So stick around, grab your popcorn, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna go over the different buttons that this HTVRont Auto heat press offers. So we're gonna start with this button, which is the switch, power on and off switch. So I'm gonna turn that on to get my heat press heating up for my son's t-shirt. And then we have the temperature button here. You can set this to whatever temp you want. Right now I want 320 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's going to heat up to 320. Next we have the time, which right now I want it at 15. Actually, we'll put it up to 20. And as you see, I just press the plus button to increase the temperature, and then there we go, it's gonna go to 20. Next we have the modes. This is if you wanted to have any preset, you could save your settings there by the mode button. Okay, so let me get that, put that on that, then we'll see how it's, yep, so it's on mode 3. Next we have a custom, so I guess you could set what preset you want for your modes, and then get that going. So I'm gonna put that back on custom. All right, then next we have the auto, which means if you press this, it'll auto heat press as soon as you pull back in the drawer, so you don't have to worry about it overheating or anything. But I normally like to pull it out and then it'll release the oh, see, it went down. And then just to make it rise back up, you press the R button, just like that. All right, so that R button is the start button. This is the increase, this is the decrease, and yeah, that is the basic functioning settings. So I'm gonna let this heat up and preheat my t-shirt and get the image printed on the shirt for you guys. Can't wait till you guys see it. I love this thing, y'all. Just looking over the instruction book, how it tells you what temperature settings to have it on. If it's a cold, warm peel, for instance, like HTV cotton, polyester, you want it at around 311. I mean, it's decent, but when you know what you know, you know what you know. So if you want, you could use this as a guide to set your heat settings. I typically don't, because I've, kind of been doing this for a long time. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so the heat press is heated up. Got my son's purple shirt that I will put his birthday image on. So it's a nice cute purple. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Nothing special. 4T. So see that? Yep, 4T, purple. Gonna put a nice gold image on it. It's gonna look really cute. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave the auto button on so you guys can see how well this works. Pre-press this for 5 seconds just to get the moisture out of the shirt. So let's go and put that shirt there. And then you'll see how the auto heat press goes down by itself. And the timer started. All right. Press the start button to rise the heat press up again. And there we go. So I'm gonna grab my image, which is so cute. I got off of Creative Fabrica. It's probably backwards to you guys. Let's see. It says, "I am for Hear Me Roar." That is so cute. It's gonna look so cute in the shirt. So let's get this placed on the shirt. About 3 fingers down, just like so. Looks good. What you guys think? Looks good? I love this gold and this purple. It's so cute. All right, put our Teflon sheet down, and we'll push it back in like magic. Hey, hey. And it rises back up when it's done. All right, so gonna let this cool down a bit. Or if you want to cheat, I have these like pillow thingies that, you know, I forgot what it's called. It just helps raise your garment to, you know, press evenly. But I use this to cool down quicker on my HTV vinyl. But you can use anything cool to rub it and speed up the process just a little bit. All right, let's give this a peel. Ooh, coming off like butter. Oh wow. Ooh wee. Oh yeah, that's nice. So nice. You guys can see that. Look at that. So nice. All right. So I'm gonna give it another press, just to make sure it's all the way in the threading and the garment. Press it for about 5 seconds. So cool. And I love my manual heat press. I have the one I got off of Amazon. I love, 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 love it. But why not get this beauty? So convenient. I still got my manual heat press. I got all 3. I have 3 others. Yeah, 3 other heat presses. I still have my Cricut Easy Press. And see, look, I didn't even have to pay attention. It rose up by itself. I still have my Cricut. Still love this thing. Will never get rid of none of my heat presses because you never know when you're gonna need them all. But all right, so that is done. It wasn't supposed to go the whole time, but it's okay. All right. So we got my son's shirt all pressed. I am for Hear Me Roar with his dinosaur. He loves dinosaurs, y'all. So yeah, I give this heat press an 8 out of 10, y'all. I give it an 8 out of 10 because I have heard that it does lose its, you know, you can't customize the pressure. But so far, I have no issues. I have no extra padding underneath it. I'm just using this pad. I'm gonna see how long it lasts. And still need to try like sublimation and tote bags and hoodies. So I got a lot more things to explore before I add an extra padding underneath it. But yeah, I love this thing. I probably won't get the manual one because I know what a manual heat press does already, and I love the ones I have already. I just want a nice auto press.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me some to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. No more. No. Every time I question what my future has in store, I get to panicking, anxiety, can't live here no more.
That will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for returning. I plan to come back full force. Yeah, thank you for the continued support, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch y'all in the next video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.